Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to show you guys how I did this jumbo braided Bantu knots. So I'm going to make my first part. I started sectioning from the back of my head because it's way easier for me. You can start from anywhere you want, back, side, front. Just do what works for you, okay? So after sectioning, I'll go ahead and apply some edge wax on my hair. I'm going to be securing the hair with small rubber bands. So I'm going to repeat the same step for the other section of my hair. I'm done sectioning my whole hair. I have a total of 15 sections, so let's go ahead and start braiding. I'll be using a used braiding hair extension for today's hairstyle. Just putting my hair in place so you don't get in my way while I'm braiding. So I'll take about 4 pieces of the braiding hair extension, cross it as seen in the video. Now we'll braid. Don't worry about the braids not being smooth. Of course, we're going to be wrapping it. That way, no one would know if it's an old braiding hair you used or a new one. Trust me, they're not gonna know. Okay, so here is a close view of how I wrap those braids. First thing is to bend the braid as seen and start wrapping. It's that easy, honey. So I'll go again, bend the braids and start wrapping around. And yeah, here's the end result. Ensure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment and share if you find it helpful. Thank you.